Hey guys, I know some of you weren't able to take the test today for the computer part, so I have it here. Take some time, make sure you think about each question as I ask it. Thank you. Our first question in the computer test is, what kind of computer is this? Number one, what kind of computer is this? It's large, it can be set up on edge, and it's in a single case here. Number two, what device is this? What device is it? And the second part to that question is it input or output device? Is it an input device or an output device? Number three, what is this? And what is it, an input or an output device? What's the name of this? And is it an input or an output device? And the third part of that is, give me two different varieties of this type of device. Different varieties, okay? Number four, what's the name of this device? And is it an input or is it an output device? And the third part is, give me two different styles or varieties this part comes in. Okay. Number 5, 6, and 7 are different cables. Number 5, what's the name of this cable and what is it used for? Number 5. Number 6, what is the name of this cable and what is it used for? If you look at it, 5 is plugged into this kind of hole and 6 is plugged into that kind of a hole. Number 7, what cable is this and what is it used for? On the computer, this is the kind of port that this is plugged into. Number 8, what is this cable? What's the name of it? And what is it used for in general? And on the computer, you can see that these are the holes for that kind of connector. Number 9, what are these ports used for? Describe them as best you can. Okay? Number 10 is inside our computer. So we're going to open it up. And number 10 is underneath this black box. What is located underneath the black box? And what is its function? What's located under the black box, underneath these fins? And what is its function? It actually looks similar to this, even though we can't see it. Number 11. What is this? It has a round disc inside and it spins. What is it used? What's the name of it and what is it used for? Okay, what's the function? 12. 12 is this box in the corner. What is special about this box? What's the name of it? And what is its function? So each one of these, you give me the name and you give me the function. Number 13, you can see down in the bottom, is connected to the green board. This board goes around the whole computer on the bottom. What's the name of this board? And what's the function of it? What does it do? 14 is right here. It's pretty obvious what's inside there. What's the name of it and what is its function? This is a little hint. It sits right next to number 10. Number 15 is on the front of our computer, and you can see this kind of round thing goes inside. So what is this called? And what is its function? So 2 parts to each of these, the name and what it does. 15. We're going to 16. These are 2 cards. These cards are special, and you need to give me a name for that. And what are their function? You can actually remove these and replace them with different size. That's a hint. Okay, extra credit number 17. These are empty. No cards are inside. You can see they're long. What is the name of these and why are they there? What's the function? You can see on this side there's also a couple of them that are empty. What are they? What's the name and what are they used for? That's the only extra credit one we have. Our last question is, what is this and what is its function? Okay? What is this and what is its function? Okay, do your best. Make sure you turn the quiz in, and God will help you.